The state of the Bulawayo Victoria Falls Highway is exposed to President Emerson Mnangagwa's propaganda machine narrative that his so-called Second Republic is spearheading infrastructure development, particularly road rehabilitation. Sanamenda mashuka tonoti vakomana panguva ino vobatwa kunzi dzvi red-handed after aiwa matourist aiwa zvinotenda pasocial media mapictures amuri kuona zvinzi aiwa kuita mapotholes muri kuita kumahighway aiwa ari kuonekwa panguva inoi wotonzi atova matourist attraction. Sanamenda mashuka budanyo vapuna mnogwa subscribe or like what on the bell kuti mtafanira mchinzi. Contrary, the state of this highway exposes this myth, highlighting how corruption, state capture, and cronyism have defined his administration since seizing power from RG Mugabe in 2017 coup. The Bulawayo Victoria Falls Road, a crucial gateway to Zimbabwe's premier international tourism destination, remains a death trap, riddled with potholes and neglected despite years of public outcry. Tourists and the local alike are left questioning why the Mnangagwa government refuses to prioritize its rehabilitation. Instead, millions have been funneled into the pockets of his cronies, thugs, and politically connected business figures, while essential infrastructure collapse. Recent images circulating on social media, allegedly showing individuals posing inside the massive potholes along the highway, have been dismissed as fake by the government. Instead of funding roadworks, Mnangagwa has facilitated a culture of looting, allowing his sons, criminal associates, and entrepreneurs to bleed state coffers dry. Armed robbers and politically connected fraudsters have become the biggest beneficiaries of his rule, while citizens endure hardship and international investors shun the country. The neglect of the key infrastructure projects, coupled with the plundering of national resources, exposes Mnangagwa's grand deception. His reign has been defined not by progress, but by a deepening culture of corruption, impunity, and self-enrichment at the expense of the people. They are pushing for the extended rule, but developing the country, roads, infrastructure, but they are that highway. Zoera chivaprova wrong. Ngozi mafundo emo tuli pamusoro pechitu kwechi kuna comment section medu. Mafundo emu, subscribe like, and on the bell icon.